In a small town, nestled amidst rolling hills and quaint cottages, lived an elderly man named Charlie. At the age of 79, Charlie found himself at the mercy of his greedy niece, Sophia, who forced him to leave his beloved home and move into a nursing home against his wishes. Little did Sophia know that Charlie had a secret plan in mind, a plan that would bring hope and transformation to the life of a struggling single mother named Emily. Emily, a kind-hearted woman with 2 young children, lived in a small apartment on the outskirts of town. She worked tirelessly to make ends meet, but life's challenges often seemed insurmountable. It was during one of her lowest moments that she crossed paths with Charlie. Emily had noticed the elderly man sitting alone on a park bench, lost in his thoughts. With compassion in her heart, she struck up a conversation, and that encounter sparked an unexpected bond between them. As days turned into weeks, Emily and her children began visiting Charlie, helping him with the groceries, cooking meals, and providing companionship. In return, Charlie became a guiding light in their lives, offering wisdom, encouragement, and a sense of family they had longed for. Their relationship grew deeper, and Emily became like a surrogate granddaughter to Charlie, who had no immediate family of his own. Unbeknownst to Sophia, Charlie had a dying wish. He wanted to leave his cherished home to Emily, knowing it would provide a stable and nurturing environment for her children. It was a gesture of kindness and gratitude for the love and support she had shown him. With the help of legal counsel, Charlie's will was amended, ensuring that his final act of generosity would be fulfilled. However, fate had a different plan in store. On the day Emily planned to visit Charlie and share his favorite dish as a token of appreciation, she received heartbreaking news. Charlie had peacefully passed away in his sleep, leaving a void in Emily's heart. Grief-stricken but determined to honor his memory, she went to the nursing home to pay her respects. As Emily navigated the maze-like hallways of the nursing home, memories of her time with Charlie flooded her mind. She arrived at his room, only to find it empty and devoid of the warmth and laughter they had shared. It was a bittersweet moment, knowing that Charlie was at peace but feeling the weight of his absence. In the midst of her sorrow, Emily discovered an unexpected twist. Charlie had left her not only his beloved home but also a collection of gold bars that he had accumulated over a lifetime. It was a testament to his trust in her and a means to secure a brighter future for her children. However, trouble loomed on the horizon. Sophia, driven by greed and entitlement, sought to claim Charlie's assets for herself. She orchestrated a sale of the cottage to a conniving lawyer, Andrew, hoping to gain a substantial financial gain. But fate had a way of unraveling deceit, and Sophia's plans were thwarted when Emily fought back, accusing her of elder coercion and mistreatment. The truth prevailed and justice was served. The court ruled in favor of Emily, recognizing her as the rightful heir to Charlie's home and assets. The cottage, once threatened to be lost, became a sanctuary for Emily and her children, a place where memories of Charlie would forever be cherished. Emily's journey from struggling single mother to inheriting Charlie's home was not just a tale of material gain. It was a testament to the power of compassion, kindness, and the enduring legacy one person can leave behind. Through Charlie's generosity, Emily and her children found stability, security, and a renewed sense of hope. As the years passed, the cottage became a haven of laughter, love, and shared moments. Emily continued to honor Charlie's memory by instilling in her children the values he had imparted to them. They grew up knowing the importance of empathy, the joy of giving, and the significance of cherishing relationships. And so, the story of an elderly man forced to leave his home but leaving it to a poor single mother became a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, the triumph of justice, and the transformative power of love. It served as a reminder that even in the face of adversity, acts of kindness and generosity have the power to change lives and create a ripple effect of goodness in the world. The story of an elderly man forced to leave his home but leaving it to a poor single mother exemplifies the triumph of compassion over greed and the enduring impact of acts of kindness. Through the characters of Charlie, Emily, and Sophia, we witness the resilience of the human spirit and the transformative power of love and generosity. The tale serves as a reminder that true wealth lies not in material possessions, but in the connections we forge and the positive influence we leave behind. It inspires us to embrace empathy, extend a helping hand, and create a world where everyone's needs are valued and fulfilled.